Hey you guys, I got a prank for y'all today. See this? It's an air horn. See? I bought it at the dollar store the other day, and Tim's asleep. And I told him if he sleeps late and not go find him a job, that I'm gonna wake him up and scare him. So I'm gonna set the camera down, or I might hold it, and then I'm gonna record him. So here it goes. Good morning, sunshine.
You are starting to come under.
Did that scare you?
Please stop.
Did it scare you?
Just go away.
Did it?
Just go away.
Are you angry?
Just go away.
Look at your hairy chest, everybody.
Please stop.
Tim, did that make you angry?
Please just stop. Please stop. You are gonna find Ginger.
I ain't even doing it full blast.
Please stop.
Did I scare you?
Please just stop.
Just answer my question, I'll leave you alone. Did I scare you?
Yeah, it spooked me a little bit.
That's funny. I'll try it again.
Please stop.
I'm
seriously going to throw that thing away. I'm tired, Jen.
What's the matter? Why are you tired?
Please stop. All you're doing is playing it up for the camera anyway. Please stop.
Why are you tired?
I don't want to say anything. Just shut the camera off and get away from me. Are you ready? Please stop.
I'm leaving.
Where are you going?
Well, if you would get up, you'd know.